Hey everyone, my name is Beth Gatza and I am a professional portrait painting artist. I'm originally from Chicago and I've been in Los Angeles now for the past decade. Art and film have always been passions of mine. As a kid, you could always find me working on some kind of art project. My mom was also a professional artist and she would take me to museums on weekends to sketch. And I was really fortunate that both of my parents really encouraged my passion for film and art. And I ended up getting my first art teaching job at 17 at my local art studio in the neighborhood where I would teach portraits and oil painting. Throughout my childhood, I had been filming my own movies on a self-rigged editing system with a dual VHS player, probably too many RCA cables, a microphone, and a CD/cassette player. I knew that I really wanted to learn the process of filmmaking. I majored in cinematography and minored in fine art at Southern Illinois University. After graduating college, I jumped on my first film as an art PA and then worked in the film industry for 7 years, both nationally and internationally, with my focus in the art department. I then spent 10 years working at 2 of Los Angeles' elite private schools, where I worked as an art educator teaching roughly 500 students a week across 7 different grade levels, painted theater set backdrops, and met the love of my life. But even during my years of education, I still worked on small film projects, including a commission that I took to paint one of my favorite actors, Steve Buscemi, for the television series Miracle Workers on TBS. Now, I'm still painting, making movies, and teaching, but now all from home because I am taking care of my 2-year-old daughter. I'm so excited to be making these courses for you, and I cannot wait to see what you create. Okay, I will see you in the next lesson.